Chapter 14, Careers in Teaching Physical Education. Chapter Objectives. Describe what a physical education teacher does. Provide insights into exciting research. Explain how to remain current in the field. Describe settings in which physical educators teach. Describe highly effective teachers. And provide information about career options. The study of the pedagogy of physical activity. Pedagogy, or sport pedagogy of physical activity, is the study of teaching physical activity. Effective instructors understand their subject and know how to convey it in order for all students to be successful. The study of pedagogy of physical activity continued. A person with background in pedagogy could answer these questions. How will I get and keep the student's attention? How much time do I spend talking versus students practicing? Will my methods work? How do I structure class so students have time to improve fitness? How will I motivate students to engage in physical activity outside of school? Careers for physical activity pedagogues. Teachers in public and private schools, elementary, middle, high school, adapted physical education and curriculum specialists. Coaches, recreation leaders, instructors at corporate fitness centers or community recreation centers, specialists or skill instructors, professors or researchers. What is the teaching of physical education? Influence of experience on your beliefs. Certification and continuing education. The research on effective teaching. Appropriate practice experiences for students. Active and engaged learning time. Effective class management and discipline. Assessment. Feedback. Alternative curriculums. Role conflict, including burnout and resilience. In order to understand more, read the summary of key evidence-based pedagogical principles sidebar. Which principles do you feel are most important? Which are the biggest challenges for you? Teaching expertise requires ongoing education. Reading and attending professional conferences are critical. Teaching experience alone does not guarantee expertise. Burnout and boredom are potential risks. And teaching expertise requires the implementation of research-based best practices into instruction. Physical activity and academic performance. The evidence-based answer. Students benefit from physical activity in 21 ways. The relationships between physical activity, fitness, cognition, and academic achievement are outlined in a review sponsored by ACSM. Cognitive skills and attitudes. Basic cognitive abilities such as executive function, memory, attention, information processing, motivation, and self-concept. Academic behaviors, including on-task behavior, organization, planning, attendance, and emotional control. And academic achievement, including test scores, formal assessment results, and GPA. Settings for teaching physical education. The work life of some physical education teachers characterized by diverse activity and isolation from other adults. Teacher effectiveness is influenced by differences between students. The curriculum of physical education is very different from those of other subjects in terms of space, activity, and relationships. The lack of teacher or program evaluation is often true in schools. And expanding physical education. Roles for physical education professionals. Typical teaching responsibilities. Rewards for outstanding teaching. Teaching in physical education in the school. Teaching in higher education settings. Adapted physical education and coaching. Successful physical education teachers use innovative instructional strategies and novel curriculums. Integrate physical education with other subject matter. Utilize unique ways to promote learning progressions. Promote their programs through public relations, have supportive colleagues and administrators, have adequate funding from grants or fundraisers, etc. Display exemplary classroom management strategies, engage in professional development activities, offer after-school programs for students and adults, model athletic skill and fitness, promote equitable learning settings. The national standards for initial physical education teacher education are identified through the national organization entitled SHAPE. The standards are content and foundational knowledge, skillfulness and health-related fitness, planning and implementation, instructional delivery and management, assessment of student learning, and professional responsibility. Trends and opportunities in teaching physical education. Prospects for finding employment are high. More schools are adding physical education to their curriculum. Improve employability by acquiring as many additional skills as possible. Advice for physical education students. Never stop learning to teach. Join professional associations. Remain current on research literature, and strive to be your best.